Hi, it's Jullien Barker here, and again I'm here with Heather, who's just been telling me about please check my traps, because she's been doing lateral flexions in the gym and that kind of stuff, and they're like kind of traps trying to get out of your body. So we'll look at that. Here's number 5, number 4 for those that don't know. These nerve roots here, part of the sciatic nerve. This nerve root here is going down to the quads. Been checking some of those today as well. So if there's any pressure or irritation or torsion or anything on those nerves, it's going to affect leg function, possibly even then go on to pain, and right the way through to possibly even sciatica. Anyway, okay, let's get on and check Heather. And right, I'm going to do the. Let's see how fast we can go through the essential scan version. So this is the kind of the minimal cues version, and yeah, just for those that think my videos are too long, this one won't be. Okay. So Heather did say she'd been adjusted on Friday, and yeah, good. Absolutely bang on level, no clue as to PD, which does jump around with Heather as well, so I know nothing right now. So squeeze your knees together, and there you go. Right hand behind your back. Swap your hands. Both back down by side. So I've got a change on the left there, so if it's that one. Right hand behind your back. Back down. Ooh, right hand up behind your back. That was the radiator, not me kicking the bucket. I'll back down by side. L5 on the left. So you're right, PD. Right hand up by your face. Big deep breath in and out. Left hand up as well. And both back down by sides. Turn your head to the right. Lift the right shoulder and down. Shrug both down. Squeeze right elbow and let go. Squeeze left elbow and let go. Shrug your shoulders up and roll them back. Head back into the centre. There we go. So it's definitely a dominant left side here, but then we do know that Heather is left-handed, because all the best people are. Aren't they, Heather?
Yeah. It's
true. It's just a fact, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Surrounded by them.
You are. And yeah, bilaterally lateral scapular pattern. So yeah, clearly been beast in the arms. So that's the other side. There you go. So lift up your head and back down. Tuck chin down to chest, back to centre. Push face into the couch and let go. So occiput, definitely part of trap. So Pound says at least the left trap is coming up. So turn your head to the right, tip the back of your head towards your left shoulder. Oh yeah, bring left shoulder up. The way to scap is good. Head back into centre, turn head left, tip head to the same on that side as well, and that head back into centre. So if somebody is fairly familiar with the sequence, gets adjusted regularly, so you can actually definitely go at pace. release. Yeah. I just want to know if that clears your superior scapula. So palm of left hand on the back of neck. Left is good. Lift the elbow down. Push elbow. Keep going. Arm back down. Palm of right hand on back of neck. Lift elbow. Back down. Push elbow and let go. Arm back down by side. Shrug both shoulders up to your ears. Down. Cool. There we go. We'll see how Heather gets on with that. And that is me going at full tilt and speedy. And yeah, anyone says I've got sore traps, that's what you should be checking. See you next time. Oh,
I haven't stopped recording.
oh, you haven't stopped recording?
Yeah.
Oh, in that case, no, like, subscribe, do comments, all that kind of stuff. We love your comments. There we go. And yeah, see you next time.